welcome back to my channel. So welcome to another grocery haul. This is another Trader Joe's haul. Haven't done one of these in a while. I was headed to Trader Joe's to pick up a few items and I figured I would just bring you guys along, show you what I got today. So this is more so of like a healthy haul. Trader Joe's does have bomb sweet treats, especially things that you can only get from there, but that is not what we are doing today. I picked up items on the healthier side. About a month ago, I took a gut test, so let's just chat about it. Right now, I'm cutting out meat, and the reason behind me cutting out meat is because about a month ago, I did take a gut test by Ombre. Since I was shopping for things on that list, I thought I would kind of talk about it with you guys. I took the at-home gut test. It's very easy to do, and what the test does is it analyzes the bacteria in your gut. So it's gonna tell you what good bacteria you have, what bad bacteria you have, and then it's gonna break it down and tell you what foods are recommended to support the good bacteria and what foods you should avoid. So I got my results back last week because it takes about 3 to 4 weeks for you to get your results. So I finally got my results back. One of the things it said on the list of things for me to avoid is red meat. So I decided that I was just gonna go cold turkey and I was just gonna cut out meat altogether. So as of right now, this is my second week, no meat. So I went to Trader Joe's and I picked up a bunch of goodies, lots of vegetables, read up on our fruit, because I have a smoothie just about every single day. And I've been putting yogurt in my smoothie and just trying to consume things that are good for my gut. So trying to get that good bacteria up and get some of that bad bacteria out of here. I'm gonna show you briefly my report. I'm gonna pull it up and just show you bad bacteria that I have. It says that it's in a healthy range. I think more so my problem is getting my good bacteria up. So a lot of the good bacteria is low for me, and so it tells me what foods to eat. I'm gonna pull my profile up right now. So this is showing me my gut report, and my gut score, it says your gut is close to an ideal state, keep it up. So it's ranking me at an 80, and then it tells me what I have low, what bacteria I have low, and then it gives you a personalized food plan. So then it breaks it down to food recommendations, and it's gonna tell you what foods you should increase and what foods you should avoid. So the recommended foods for me are artichokes, asparagus, sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, avocado, kiwis, lemons, lime. So these are the things that I purchased today. So I wanted to just unpack my groceries and just give you a peek on what I bought for my healthy grocery haul today. And if you're interested in doing the gut test, I'm gonna have a link down in the description box below. With my referral code, you will get 20% off of the kit. The kit is very easy to do. It comes fairly quickly. You just take a little sample and you send it back off. It's very easy to do. You just have to wait about 2 to 3 weeks for them to receive it and for them to analyze it. Once they analyze it, they will be emailing you your results and it will have everything broken down. I'm very excited for this journey. This is new to me because I have never gone really without meat. I think I did it one time before for about 18 days when I was fasting with church, but this is the first time I've done it on my own. I'm very excited about it. So far, 2 weeks has been good. I don't feel like I've been missing out on anything. They only recommended me to avoid red meats. However, I decided to just cut out all meat. So let's just go ahead and get into unpacking what I have in my groceries. Of course, it wouldn't be right without getting some flowers. So I love fresh eucalyptus in my house, and I absolutely love it in my shower. I love to put it hanging up in my shower, let the steam give you that spa feeling, that aromatherapy, and it just smells so good. So when you first hang it in there, the smell is not really strong. It takes about a day or so for the leaves to kind of start to dry out, and I find that once it's starting to dry out, that's when the scent is more pungent. It's not that noticeable at first until the leaves start to dry out. So we also picked up a little bundle of these flowers. So we will be putting these in a vase, of course. Trader Joe's has the best deals on flowers. Absolutely, hands down. So each of these were $2.99. No, $3.99. Yeah, these were $3.99. So we're gonna get these into some water. So let's just start digging into here. So I picked up this vegan ranch crunch salad kit. It has green cabbage, romaine lettuce, crispy fried onions, sunflower kernels, kale, red cabbage, carrots, and green onions, and it has a vegan ranch dressing. I usually don't use the ranch dressing that it comes with because I make my own all-purpose dressing and I prefer to use that. But this is really good. It has a lot of greatness in this bag. It comes in handy when I need a quick meal. So I absolutely love these. I've been buying these way before, even before doing the gut test or anything. I've been buying this for a long time. So this is a favorite. It's the Vegan Ranch Crunch Salad Mix. Also picked up some cauliflower. This is the cauliflower of many colors. So it's so fun. It has the purple cauliflower, the white, green, and orange. Absolutely love those. Picked up some shredded kale. So today for dinner, I'm gonna be putting together a lentils, kale, sweet potato soup. So I picked up this bag of kale so that I can throw it in there because tonight is actually a busy night for me. Tatiana has soccer practice and all types of things going on. So I'm always trying to cut my time in half. So this is gonna come in handy for me today. Got some celery for juicing. Picked up some asparagus because asparagus was on my list of items to increase. Avocados was on the list. Kiwi was on the list. Lemon. So we do go through a lot of lemons. My girls love lemon water. They drink it in the morning with a little bit of honey, and we have a tea party. We call it tea. So we often go through lemons quickly. Lemons are a staple in my house. So I picked up a red onion and some sweet potatoes. So that is in the first bag. So I have a total of 5 bags today, and I spent $228 on this grocery haul. And I find that groceries are getting very expensive, you guys. The groceries prices are just going up, 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 up. But I find that Trader Joe's is still like one of the cheaper alternatives to groceries, because a lot of the stuff I buy, when I price check it at other stores, I'm like, are you serious? I gotta go back to Trader Joe's. So that's my little rant about that. But I got some more chia seeds because my chia seeds are low, and I use these a lot of times in my smoothies. So I got some more chia seeds. Picked up a dozen of eggs for the girls. I got them some cheese and some ham for sandwiches for them. So I picked up some wild caught salmon. I only like wild caught. I do not like farm raised seafood. So I tried to avoid that as much as possible. So I did get some wild caught salmon. This is deboned and it is skinless. Then we have lots of frozen fruit. So like I mentioned, I have smoothies almost every day, if not every day, and I typically use frozen fruit for that. So my frozen fruit is always going very quickly, and when we run out of our fresh fruit, my girls will eat the frozen fruit as well. So we have tons of frozen fruit up in here. So this one is the mixed berry blend. It has strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Then I got a bunch of just blueberries on its own, bunch of strawberries, and these blueberries are wild blueberries. So they're very tiny. They're smaller than your typical blueberries. And I got some frozen pineapple and some frozen mango for when I switch it up. I typically just do berries. I've bought this coconut milk that I've been loving. It's like the golden milk. So it's the coconut milk with the turmeric. When I do that one, I love to mix it with this tropical combination, and it's so good. So you know groceries are getting expensive. This was $228 without meat. Keep that in mind. This was without meat. Only meat I bought was this ham for the girls to have sandwiches every now and then. All right, into the next bag, we have some jasmine brown rice. So I'm starting to get the jasmine rice that is brown. I'm no longer getting the white one. So that is at Trader Joe's, and it is fairly priced. This bag I think was like $3. And I know at Whole Foods, it's like $5, $6, $7, $8. I have a bag of raw California walnut halves, and I've already kind of been snacking on these. I opened them up on the ride home. But this was on my list to up my walnuts, so I got some walnuts, some cherry tomatoes, and then we have our fresh berries. So we have raspberries, blueberries, grapes, and strawberries. So we have all our fresh berries. And when I get home from the store, I always like to transition the berries from these plastic containers into mason jars. They last 10 times longer. That is official. We also got some of this salsa. This is a hit. We always get this. We have some kimchi. We always get this from Trader Joe's. It's a great probiotic as well. This is for Ava. She loves this yogurt. This coconut whipped topping is a staple in my house. Whenever the girls do have pancakes, they don't use any type of syrup. They just use this whipped topping. So when I'm storing them in my mason jar, I don't wash them or anything yet. I just put them in here and then I'll wash them when I'm ready to use them. But this really helps your berries last longer. So we'll eat these because they're not gonna fit. Voila. We have been through 3 bags. I have 2 more bags left. So I love to get my coconut water from Trader Joe's. The girls love it. We use this when they're going to her sports games. We use this when they're not feeling good. We use it to make smoothies. So we definitely love the coconut water. So Tatiana likes to take this guacamole to school. And then in here, what goodness do we have in here? This organic coconut and avocado oil blend. So it's like a vegan ghee alternative. Some more almond butter, because this is a staple for my smoothies. Artichokes were on the list, so I didn't get fresh artichokes today, but I did pick up this marinated artichokes on the go. So I'm gonna give these a try. They are definitely on my list for things to increase. This is the turmeric ginger coconut beverage that I was talking about from Trader Joe's. I love this one. I love this one when I do a half a banana, some mango, and some pineapple. It's so bomb. Trust me, pick this up. This one is not gonna be in the refrigerated section at Trader Joe's. It's actually on the aisle where the cereal is. This is a good one. And then I just got some chicken stock as well. Another coconut topping, because the girls love those on pancakes. They don't even like the syrup, they just prefer this coconut topping on it. So this is our last bag. And I got some of these corn chips for the girls. They love those with this salsa. These corn chips are really good. They're not really salty, they're perfect. And they're really good with this home style salsa and the guacamole. So Tatiana loves to take that to school for like a snack. Got some more cinnamon, because this is also a staple for my daily smoothies. Plantain chips, we love these. And then we got a fresh mango, some bananas, potatoes, a pineapple. So we love apples in this house and we juiced a lot of them. So we have 2 bags and I probably should have gotten 3. And then I have some organic yellow onions. So that is all 5 bags. I'm gonna turn the camera around and just give you guys a close-up of what I have, get it organized a little bit because it's just thrown on top of each other. So let me turn it around and give you a peek at what I got at Trader Joe's. Be sure to try this vegan ranch crunch. It is really good. And then this is my favorite cauliflower, the many colors. We got some avocado, asparagus, some kale. This is gonna be my first time trying this organic coconut and avocado blend. The kimchi is really good. Got some brown jasmine rice, some walnuts, plenty of frozen fruit. And then we got some fresh fruit, of course. And guys, don't forget to store your berries in a mason jar. It makes them last so much longer. My favorite apple is the pink ladies. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, you guys. I need to get some of this stuff put away before it starts to thaw out. But thanks for hanging out with me today. Thanks for grocery shopping with me. Hopefully you guys get to Trader Joe's and pick up some of these items, because Trader Joe's is like my go-to store. I do 90% of my shopping at Trader Joe's. I'm a great fan of them. They have some really unique things there that you can only get at Trader Joe's. And don't forget to check that link in the description box if you're interested in taking that gut test. I think it's a really good idea for everybody to test their gut, because no diet, no meal prep, no meal plan is gonna be ideal for each and every person, because we are all unique, we are all different, our guts are all different, we have many things going on, and everybody's gonna be different. So no set meal plan is gonna be able to tailor to each person the same. So I think it's very important if we find out what's going on with our gut. That way we can be healthier, we can lose weight. I'm definitely on a weight loss journey right now. That's a whole nother story, but I'm trying to get right. And I think the first step was figuring out what's going on in my gut, and I'm in the right direction with increasing the foods that I need, decreasing the foods that I don't need, and taking it from there. So don't forget to click that link down in the description box to get your 20% off your kit. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.